Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Chris Valenciana here with BNFX with your New York Open analysis from Honolulu, Hawaii. It's 4:22 in the morning over here, so it's still dark, but anyway, let's get to it. Um, really, market open. The equities are mixed. Oil is down quite a bit, and then that's probably the only change that I've seen in the markets right now. So the deal with that is the U.S. is threatening sanctions on the new oil pipeline for Russia if they invade Ukraine, but Germany has not mentioned anything about that. So that is perceived as an oil negative. So you've seen a little bit of a sell-off, but not substantial. If you look here at the oil markets right now, it's down 1.3%, but it's still at $90.13. So, why do I want to look at oil? Because there's a really strong correlation between oil and the Canadian dollar. So if you look at my market portrait, what I like to do too is any new fundamental or sentiment releases, I'll actually highlight that in yellow just so I know that that's fresh when I'm reviewing the markets to see what's going on here. So I still view the Canadian dollar as bullish because they are expected to raise rates in line with the US, but there is a little bit of a pullback right now. How long will that last? Kind of depends on what develops here with oil, because that's going to impact the CAD, at least short term. If you look here at the chart here for the CAD yen, which would be the pair I would trade if the Canadian dollar was a little bit stronger, you can kind of see the pullback here. It really stalled up here after the highs, and it's taking a little bit of a leg lower. What I would anticipate is you can see a little bit of a stall here and break on the 38% fib. I would expect it to come down here to the pivot to the 50%. You can see this little former resistance becomes support. I think it's going to take a leg lower here to get a little bit more liquidity down. So what I would like to see is what the sentiment looks like when it gets down into this level. If we start to see some bullish oil when it gets down here, I'd be interested in a retracement long here on institutional. So that's what I'm going to be looking at for today. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Like I said, markets are pretty quiet, kind of searching for a direction today. So if there's no direction and you can't really see something that's obvious, it's best to just sit on your hands and wait for it to develop here, because otherwise you're going to just get chopped up and maybe pick a wrong direction and get stopped out when you shouldn't there. So I will keep you guys updated in the Telegram room, but you guys have a great day and good luck trading today.